What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Emma and I am back with another video. So before I get into this video, I want you to go over to my Instagram bad__teen. You know, say I have something going up for this joke man. I'm a business page, Emma's Rainbows Design. Go up on the screen so go see everything. So yeah guys, I want to see down below in the title what kind of video we go do. You understand? So I'm going to do a part 2 to this. If it got good and if you like up the video, share the video, everything go do a part 2 with the girl and mother. Some. Understand? So yeah, that's basically it. Yeah. So like, comment, share, subscribe and turn on the bell. It's the little bell over there, so right there. Yes. Well, that's so hard. This somewhere. Yeah, that's like, comment, share, subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. If you're new, welcome. If you're one of my old subscribers, welcome back. Yeah guys, so yeah, stay tuned. So guys, the first matter I'm gonna call one boy named Matthew, 876 69. Hey, me heart a beat. My heart a beat. Me I like this something, you know. What's your name? Okay. Hello?
Yeah.
Is this K?
Who?
K.
Yes.
You can talk to K, please.
She's not there. She's not there at the moment.
I'm not here, sir.
Huh?
We can talk to K, please.
She's not there at the moment.
Alright, why don't you come back? Let's still have to call me, please. Yeah. So, K in the yard. I'm gonna try MJ mother. 8765 6356. I heard this Kadeen. Don't mind your nice name, right?
I'm sorry, but the person.
Kadi. I want to them people, man. Sure. Alright, guys. Kadina call me. Kadian. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Good evening. Is this Kadian?
Yes, Kaden.
I have a son named MJ.
Yes.
Alright, contact you about something, please. So, me and MJ have sex about last month, right?
Hold on there. When I reach home, I can call her back because I need to look in the town.
Okay, no problem.
Alright.
My man saying go call me back. Alright, so that's Kadian. Kadian saying go call me back. I not answer. Anyways, who found the mom that type in? Oh, Anthony mother. 2640. Anthony mother name Shelly? Shelly, baby. Shelly. Catch up me, I'm done. I'm anxious. Oh God. Hello?
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Is this Shelly?
No?
Is this Shelly?
Yes, it is.
You have a son named Anthony, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so we can talk to you about something, please?
Go ahead.
Okay, so me and Anthony have sex last month, right? They tell him I'm pregnant and I'm going to tell him about muscular belly.
So why didn't you protect yourself from Anthony? You know, why did they do otherwise?
They tell him to go.
Not only the pregnancy, you know, what the hospital is, but that we don't know how we what he was doing. We can't take no word for it.
Yeah, me tell him something make we use condom and him gonna talk about you not having none and he want to do it right now.
No. If you're not actually So, how old are you?
18 this month. Pardon me?
So that means you're at the age of consent.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Where do you live?
Pardon me?
Where do you live?
Montego Bay.
Okay. Is it possible that we can, because this is not something I would like to discuss over the phone.
Pardon me?
This is not something I would like to discuss over the phone. Is it possible for us to meet?
Yeah, no problem. Just tell me when.
When will you be available to come downtown?
About Saturday.
Saturday?
Yeah.
In the evening, because I have to go to church in the morning.
Okay.
Alright, you can call me back Saturday anytime after 1 by 1 o'clock.
Yeah, no problem.
And then know when I'm coming down, I will.
Yeah.
Alright then.
Yeah, bye.
Cool.
Anthony Mother Nice. Oh man. Big up Anthony Mother Nice Shelly. No, sir. I'm so over Mother Mother.